I mostly have sandwich for my breakfast, and that's why I like to add lots of variations to it. All the sandwiches seem alike, whether it is grilled sandwich or any cold sandwich. However, this sandwich is really different from rest of the sandwiches. So let's quickly start with the recipe. The ingredients are 1 ripe avocado. So as you can see, it has turned dark green in color. So 1 onion and 1 tomato finely chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, salt and red chili powder, and half or 1 lemon. These were the unripe avocados I got from the market. As you can see, it is green in color. So after 4 to 5 days, when I kept at normal temperature, so it turned blackish green in color and so soft from outside, as you can see. With the help of a knife, give a cut from all the sides to the avocado, and you can divide it into half. Remove the seed from inside, and with the help of a knife again, just cut from inside and take it out or scoop it out with the help of a spoon. As you can see, it is so soft. This avocado is so creamy like mayonnaise, and it can be used as a spread. It is a healthy spread, you can say. So it is a very good replacement to mayonnaise or cream. As I have scooped out all the avocado mixture, so now I will be just mashing it with the masher, or you can do it with the help of a fork. See how soft and creamy it is. So after it is done, just add 1 teaspoon salt to it, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, a pinch of black pepper too you can add. This is totally optional. Mix it well and then add all your chopped veggies, including onions, tomatoes and coriander leaves. Again mix it well. At the end, squeeze 1 lemon on the top and give a quick mix. So your guacamole is ready. So now just take brown slices of bread, spread 1 to 2 teaspoons on one slice of the bread, cover it with the other, and you can grill it in your sandwich maker. This is so delicious, I just can't tell you. Seriously, just trust me, it is so creamy as ice cream, and at the same time it is very tasty. You can even use it as a spread. Just spread the avocado mixture on the bread and top it with onions and tomatoes. So enjoy this guacamole at home, guys. You can serve it with green chili or sweet chili sauce. But before you go, एक like तो बनता है यार. Click on subscribe and the bell icon for regular notifications. Till then, take care. Bye.